So Accelerwriter is something that you have defined where you have a series of things that you're going to have happen. You've recorded it and you assign it to a keyboard where you can bring it up on your steno. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you some of the ones that these are the ones that were from the exceptional extras that I had you download. I have them all right here. They're marked as edit, and then there's a name. And then these down here are called RT and a name of what they do. So you can see that if you just looked at RT, apply all global backwards, that's what that macro is going to do if you assign a steno to it. So say let's go over here to RT, delete designated word. So all you would have to do is assign an Accelerwriter and tell it to do what this file says to do, and you can do it from your writer. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But these are the ones that you've already downloaded from Exceptional Extras, and then you can have these to put in your dictionary. There are a ton more. These are just the ones that Stenograph has already given you. I've made a ton more. There's a lot on the internet you can download. I'm going to show you how to make your own so that if there are things that you want to change, and then how to assign that to a steno. So let me go back over here to our training page. So the first thing I want to show you is I'm going to show you how to cap and define 2 words, and I'm going to do this all from my writer. I'm going to bring up my notes. So the guy's name was John Green, and I want to make sure that that green gets capped, but I want it to be J defined in this whole file. I don't want it every time it comes up. I don't want to have to define that. So all I hit is 2 and a J on my writer, and it will go back and it will fix the last 2 words and cap them. So from now on, whenever I write John Green, it will be capped. So now it's J defined and it's all there. And all I did was hit a 2 and a J after those 2 words, and now it's capped. So the next one is cap 3 words. So it was John's Fish Shack. So I know that that needs to be E defined or J defined, and I don't want to have to do this every time. I hit 3 and a J, and it will go back and it'll fix the last 3 words and cap them. Very, very easy, and these are already in there. I'm going to show you how to access them. Okay, here's 4 words. It was John's Bar and Grill. So I want those 4 to be capped. I write 4 and a J, and it'll go back and fix the last 4 words and make it cap and J define. So here's one, delete a designated word. So say I have John's Bar and Grill, and I see that word grill is not, or bar is not supposed to be there. I see it, I think, oh, that's not right. So I have defined D, L, and M to delete a specific word. So I write bar, that's the word I want to delete, and I write DLM, and it goes back and finds that word and deletes it. Like for instance, sometimes you might get an extra U or an extra he. Maybe you were dragging a steno. I was dragging a steno and it was you, and I keep writing, and I know that U is not supposed to be there. I just write the word I want to delete, U, and I do DLM. It goes back, searches for that word, and deletes it. Okay. Okay, this is the best one. This is the fix the untranslate. So I have, it's supposed to be pictures, but maybe it comes up, oops. And I keep writing, I know that's an untranslate. I have a stroke, I just write the word I want it to be. So that's supposed to be the word pictures. I hit FM, it goes back to the last Untranslate and it will fix it. So let's try another one. So there's an Untranslate. No idea what that is, but it's supposed to be the word one. So I write the word one, I write FM, and it goes back and fixes that Untranslate to be the word I wanted it to be. If you do nothing else, I would like you to get that one down, because there's so many times maybe you're just off by one letter, one, you know, it was a misstroke of some kind, and it's so easy to fix these. And for your Realtime, it will fix it on the judge's Realtime screen. If you have a Case Catalyst case you license, it will fix it in the entire transcript. If you fix something on page 1 and you're on page 200 in your file and you have a Case UNet license, it will fix the entire file. If you just are using CaseView without the license, it will do about the last, I think it's 20 lines. So it still fixes it on the judge's computer. So as long as you are doing that within the 20 lines, you can do that. And you can do it, you can keep on writing for a long, long time and then hit that word in FM and it'll go back, it'll search for it, even if it's not on your screen. It'll go back and search for that last Untranslate, which would be a scan stop. So really what it's doing is searching back for a scan stop. So I want you to do that. Is there's a mistran or Untranslate, and I want that word to be Johnson. I write Johnson and FM, and it went back and it changed that to Johnson. Okay. Now the next one's a little bit trickier, but I think you'll like it as well. So I have the word pie, pie, and I keep on writing, and I know that word was supposed to be my and not pie. So I write the wrong word, the word I want it to be, my, and I hit that FM, but now I've added an asterisk. It goes back, it searched for the word pie, it changed it to the word my, and we're set and ready to go. So I'll do that again. It was John's turn, and I see that was not John. So, oops, that one, let's see. I'll write John's. I want John's to be Steve. So I wrote John's is the wrong word. Steve is the right word. FM with an asterisk. It's going to highlight it, go back, and it fixes that word. It changes the word that I've written. You're going to go into your personal dictionary. And you're going to go like this. Edit, right here, insert accelerators. You just click it. And it says, oh, okay, so what steno would you like to define? So edit, insert accelerators. Let's do fix one word mistranslate. So it's F asterisk M. What do you want that to be? And I'm going to do, I think it was Realtime fix. Here it is, fix one word translate, double click, and enter it into your dictionary. That's it. That's all, that is the whole thing. And it seems really difficult, but it really isn't.